I'm Fraser Ross, driver number 59 McLaren 720S GT3, and my McLaren features the latest Motorsport ABS system from Bosch.
Motorsport ABS is designed to enable you to go faster on a racetrack. That's its primary purpose, a fundamentally different focus than a road car ABS, which is designed for safety. It maximises braking performance, helps you keep off the wall, and saves tyres by not flat spotting. There is 11 different ABS settings available on the fly via the 12 position switches. Maximum braking performance is achieved when there's just the right amount of slip. Motorsport ABS can deliver that. Motorsport ABS can improve even the best professional race drivers' braking performance because it has individual control over each wheel. Bosch Motorsport ABS provides me the confidence I need to brake later and harder to fight for wins in my 720S GT3.
Motorsport ABS can be fitted to any race car as it's totally independent from any other system, but if desired it can be integrated by the CAN comms capability.
When quality and performance matter, Bosch Motorsport.